For everyone who doesn't know, this is Laquita Danner-Moore with the Vegan Variety. So tell us what you got going on this week.
This week I am serving foods to the public for fundraising. So I have a lot of money to raise in order to open doors to my restaurant, and I decided that I'd give people, you know, a taste of what it is that I do. So usually I'm doing private cooking, private chefing, things like that, and a lot of people don't get a chance to get a plate of my food. So I wanted to give people a taste, you know, letting them know you can eventually come and sit with me and eat with me at a restaurant. You want to know what you're going to be eating. So.
Absolutely. So.